And today we got another brake job. It's a Ford F-150, I believe. We're just doing front pads and rotors. We're not bleeding anything, but this is just another brake job but a different vehicle. So we're gonna see if there's any changes or any variances from a different vehicle. So stay tuned. Right, so we got that one off. Of course, we got to compress these pistons back into the house to make sure we have enough clearance for the new brake pads. New brake pads here. The hardware wasn't included, so we're gonna go through. We're gonna clean the hardware that's here. Make sure you get all like the big caked up on stuff. Pop that off. Use brake lube grease. That's what I use, but don't use too much. You want on the surface of your rotor or on the surface of your pads down there. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff cleaned up and we'll continue this. Before, got the cracks. This is what we're putting in. Sure those all match up. With brake pads, sometimes you will have to shave these ends depending on the kind you get and where you get them from, like especially like the paint and everything. Like they don't like to go in by themselves sometimes, but let's hope they do today. Yeah, I don't like that. You see that? So right now I'm gonna go through. I have a file. I'm gonna file down these edges, get those right. Oh, I like that. All right, so that works. That goes in. Just when they do these pads, the manufacturing, they put that coating on there just to prevent them from, I guess, rusting, but it goes on too thick, so it interferes with how the brake pads slide. You want to be able to pull these in and out by hand like so. You don't want to have to fight these in. So that's good. So I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna do the other ones just like I just did that one, and then we'll throw that on. We got to compress these pistons still. We'll compress that, throw this on, and we'll be good to go. Yeah. That's 184. All right. And bada boom, bada bang, brakes are in, they're installed. No major issues, just shaving down brake pads to make them fit, and then just getting the rotor off of around the hub, popping that off. Other than that, it was good, straightforward. Just make sure you torque all your specs or torque all your bolts to spec. Vehicle manufacturer recommendations for those. Look those up. Google solves everything these days. So anyways, Google away. Peace, TJ.